Hello everybody. So today I will talk about calculus. The topic today is about differential equations. So now I will show you how to answer. I will put dt go to the right and r go to the left. Next, we put the integration for the both sides. So the integration of this one, we have ln of the absolute value of r. The integration of t, we have t squared over 2, and I will put about c. Now we simplify number 2. Next, we have the conditions. That means when t equal to number 0, r equal to r0 in here. So I will put number 0 gone here. R0, I will put this one gone here. And now we have like this. Now we put this one gone here. And this is the final answer. This is the end. Thank you for watching.